Making your own skincare products at home is a wonderful idea. One of the biggest advantages is knowing exactly what you are putting on your body. Store-bought products can sometimes contain harsh chemicals. When you make your own, you choose the ingredients. You can select pure, natural, and gentle things. Creating these products is also a joyful process. It feels good to make something beneficial with your own hands. Another great reason to try homemade skincare is that it is very cost-effective. Many commercial beauty creams and lotions can be extremely expensive. Natural ingredients, on the other hand, are usually much more affordable. You might already have some of them in your kitchen pantry. Making your own skincare means you can save a lot of money. Customization is a fantastic benefit of DIY skincare. Every person's skin is unique. When you make your own products, you can tailor them perfectly. You can choose ingredients that suit your specific skin type. Plus, your homemade products will always be incredibly fresh, made in small batches. Finally, creating your own skincare helps you connect with nature. This is a natural, fulfilling, and truly rewarding journey. Let's talk about collagen. Collagen is a very important protein in your body. It is found in many places, like your bones, muscles, and tendons. Crucially, collagen is a major component of your skin. It provides structure and strength. It is like the scaffolding that holds your skin up. Collagen is also responsible for your skin's elasticity. Unfortunately, our bodies naturally produce less collagen as we get older. This slowdown usually begins in our mid to late 20s. Too much sun exposure is a big one. UV rays from the sun can damage collagen fibers. Lifestyle choices like smoking or eating a diet high in sugar can also harm collagen. The good news is that boosting or supporting your collagen can really help your skin. When you take steps to protect and promote collagen, your skin can look much better. Supporting your body's collagen production is a fundamental anti-aging strategy. Let's explore the wonderful natural ingredients in our DIY night cream. First, we have organic coconut oil. Coconut oil is a true gift from nature for your skin. It is an excellent moisturizer. It is packed with healthy medium-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids, like lauric acid, deeply nourish and hydrate your skin. Coconut oil helps to keep your skin feeling soft and smooth. It also supports your skin's natural barrier function. Next up is raw shea butter. Shea butter is very rich in beneficial vitamins, especially vitamin A and vitamin E. It also contains essential fatty acids. Shea butter is excellent for soothing dry, chapped, or irritated skin. We also include pure vitamin E oil in our recipe. Vitamin E is a very powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting your skin. Finally, we add the precious frankincense essential oil. Frankincense can help to improve skin tone and elasticity. It has natural astringent qualities. This makes it perfect for a night cream, helping you relax before sleep. Section 4. Whipping up your collagen-boosting night cream, a simple guide. Let's make your own collagen-boosting night cream. Gather your ingredients and tools. You need coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and frankincense essential oil. Use a small saucepan or double boiler, melt the ingredients gently, stir occasionally, remove from heat and let cool. Add vitamin E oil and frankincense. Mix thoroughly. Section 5. Using and storing your homemade treasure for glowing skin. Using your new homemade night cream is a simple and enjoyable ritual. You should apply it each evening as the last step in your skincare routine. First, make sure your face and neck are thoroughly cleansed. Gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Then, take a small amount of the night cream. Usually, a pea-sized amount is sufficient, as a little goes a long way with these rich ingredients. Dot the cream onto your forehead, cheeks, chin, and neck. Using your fingertips, gently massage the cream into your skin. Use light upward and outward circular motions. Allow a few minutes for the cream to absorb fully before you go to bed. Proper storage of your homemade night cream is very important. Always store your cream in a clean, airtight container, preferably a glass jar. Keep the jar in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. This helps to prevent the natural ingredients from degrading. You can store it at normal room temperature. However, if you live in a particularly warm or humid climate, you might prefer to keep it in the refrigerator. Storing it in the fridge will also give the cream a firmer texture. It can feel very refreshing when applied cool. Enjoy the nightly ritual of applying your own handcrafted treasure.